Hello everyone, this is your trigonometric tables. I will give you some important tricks to how to remember it. So let's start. Theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sin theta is equal to under root 0 upon 4 means 0. Sin theta under root 1 upon 4 means 1 upon 2. Sin theta 45 degree root 2 under root 2 upon 4 means 1 upon root 2. Sin theta 60 degree means under root 3 upon 4 means root 3 by 2. And sin theta 90 degree means root 4 upon 4 means 1. So first sin theta 0 degree 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Same way cos theta we have to do the opposite of sin theta. Means sin 90 degree means cos 0 degree 1, root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon 2 and cos theta 90 degree means 0. The identity of tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta means same way 0 divided by 1 means 0, 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2 means 1 upon root 3 and 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon root 2 means root 2 cancel, the answer will be 1. Same way the root 3 by 2 and 1 upon 2 means root 3 upon 1 and tan 90 degree means not defines. Same way the cosec theta means it is opposite. We have to do the reciprocal of sin theta means 0 upon 1 means not defined. 1 upon 2 sin theta sin 30 degree means cosec theta 30 degree 2 upon 1 root 2 2 upon root 3 and 1. Same way sec theta we have to do the reciprocal of cos theta 1 2 upon root 3 root 2 and 2 and not defines means infinite. Cot theta we have to do the reciprocal of tan theta 0 upon 1 means not defines, root 3 upon 1 1 1 upon root 3 and 0. Thank you.